Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sylvia. Please remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications. For this particular video, I'm going to be creating a patterns background. So then I figured I'm going to use this image to create the flowers and color them. So I'm just going to be creating over it, and I'll add some few differences in the image, add some few leaves and swirls, so then I can create my flowers or the floral design that I want to create and multiply it, as you'll see in the video. I'm gonna let the music play and let you guys enjoy the time lapse of the creation process. And if you have any questions, comment down below. So I'm gonna let the rest of the video play, and remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications like I said in the beginning, and hope you watch until the end. So I do hope that you guys were able to enjoy the video, and I'm gonna show just the different variations I created from this particular designs. And you'll notice that you can see a slight split in the center, which means I did not align the quadrates properly. I noticed and I managed to fix it at the last different designs that I did in the variations. Other than that, hope you enjoyed. Here are a couple of products with the same design that I used on my store. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. See you in the next one. Bye.